PAWB yn barod? Everyone ready? PAWB yn barod? And barod am be? Ready for what? Barod am be? Barod for the Welsh lesson you didn't ask for. Okay, just keep up with this as best you can. Say it to yourself, in your head, out loud, to your mate. I don't care. Just keep up with what I'm doing, all right? Okay, so trio is a verb. Trio means to try. It can also be try to as well. You get the to for free in there. Trio sounds a bit like the English. You're all right there. Dysgu is to learn. It can also mean to teach, but I'm going to use it as to learn here. Mwynhau, to enjoy. You'll also hear joio, but mwynhau is your proper word. Siarad can mean two things, to talk and to speak. Don't forget with those verbs there that you can put ing on them for free. You don't need to change anything about them. So trio is trying, dysgu, learning, mwynhau, enjoying, siarad, talking, speaking. Over to my adjectives. Hapus, you've all heard that one. Hapus, happy. Cool is, I'll give you a moment. Cool. Drist, or in the south you might pronounce it triste. No, that's the French way of doing it. Triste, you might say in the south of Wales. Triste in French, of course. So yeah, sad. Notice that one's become drist there. I'll show you why that happens a bit later. It's just a soft mutation. Triste or trist is the word. This one's drist or drist. Hyfryd. Flipping love this word for obvious reasons, because it means lovely. There's loads of words on there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to chuck them all at you, and all you've got to do is say the opposite language. So if a word comes up in English, say the Welsh word. If the Welsh word comes up, say the English word. Barod? Let's go. Trio. Hapus. Trio. Cool. Hapus. Trio. Dysgu. Cool. Dysgu. Hapus. Drist. Should have said that as drist. Trio. Hapus. Mwynhau. I'm going to lose track of these in a minute. Cool. You keeping up? Drist. Well, you'd be drist if you're not keeping up. Dysgu. Hapus. Trio. Siarad. Cool. Drist. Mwynhau. Hapus. Cool. Drist. Mwynhau. Hyfryd. Siarad. Dysgu. Siarad. Hyfryd. Trio. Cool. Drist. Mwynhau. Hyfryd. Sad. Talk. Cool. Speak. Sad. Enjoy. Cool. Trying to. It's just all one word. Sad. Happy. Lovely. Enjoy. Learn. Lovely. Try. Ah, bendigedig, wedi gorffen. Let's put that back. Ah, da iawn. Your next challenge, if you kept up with that, is either to do it again or just swipe and you'll see loads of sentence structures where you can make some sentences of your own using these verbs and adjectives and write them in the comments. Sound good? Bendigedig. Da iawn, pawb.